Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to check your account status on Instagram. So guys, if you're a person who are posting very often and you somehow have issues with Instagram guidelines and you want to see if you have any strike or whatever action Instagram has taken against you, then I'm going to show you how to check your account status so that you can see that. So you want to click on your profile on the lowermost right hand side. Then from there, you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says account status, right? So go ahead and click on account status, and you'll be able to see your account status from there. Now you have four options. If you have all of them in green with that check mark, it simply means that everything is okay. And as you can see there, it says see any actions Instagram has taken when your account or content doesn't follow or guidelines. So that's all you can see it, and you can easily click on each one of them and you can read to see what it is saying. Very easy and very simple, guys. I really hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.